What's up, you guys? It's Pete with Krietz Customs back here at our body shop to show you guys a really cool experience. Ethan, if you don't mind coming on in here. Ethan, last video, went ahead and designed an F-450 down to the bone, down to the meat and potatoes of it. And so he did such a good job that we decided to bring you back here today, and if you don't mind, actually paint matching a truck for us. So this F-450 behind us, it's all black. It's called the Onyx Black, and a lot of it, especially the bumper, needs to be refinished before we can put it onto the lot and show our customers what a good job we do. And we want to entrust that to you since you designed such a beautiful truck last time. Would you be down for that?
Yeah.
Yeah? How do you feel about missing a few roadblocks in Fortnite games for this?
Pretty good.
All right. So Ethan, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take you into the paint shop, and I want to explain a little bit about the process, what we're gonna do before we get you actually painting stuff and what has to happen. A lot of people don't realize that when disassembling paint, you first got to take off all the metal, right? You don't want to just come over here with a spray can and just go over basic metal. What you want to do is disassemble the entire piece. So we're gonna start off with the bumper. This bumper here, you got to unplug everything. You got to take this plastic piece off. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and sand it down and prime it to be painted, right? We even used to paint this because we thought it looked good, but then people started stepping on it to where the paint wears off, right? Because it is plastic.
Yeah. Well, I got another idea for this. Maybe we can just hydro dip it.
What would you want to hydro dip on it?
Like, maybe like a design, like maybe like pink, purple, and like yellow.
If we did hydro dipping, I would do that with you. But this truck isn't gonna be yours, it's actually gonna be a customer vehicle. And so we want you working on this truck for a future customer at Krietz. Now, I will say, with the grill, there is different colors that happen. For instance, the Ford emblem is gonna be different than the entire grill itself, right? But we do have to expose this entire radiator while that stuff is off to be able to paint it on its own, priming it, right?
So like for the radiator, like can I like spray paint that like orange or something like to balance out with like the black?
I've never been asked that before. That would probably violate a lot of safety hazards.
Yeah.
Let's put a pin in that. We'll put a pin in that one. But we are gonna have you take off. We're gonna have you take off the hood. I like your ideas, dude. We're gonna have you take off the hood, and then we're gonna prime
now,
this
like
entire
the hood, can you get like, can we stop by Lowe's and get like a circular thing so we can put a little hole so I can put the smokestack up?
Ethan, dude, what did I tell you about smokestacks?
Well,
No,
at least maybe we can make a small hole for the American flag.
They do look cool. I like your enthusiasm. They do look cool.
Yeah, and the smoke comes up.
Yeah, and you got to delete it. But then if we deleted it, we couldn't sell the truck. No, the hood stack is, it does just allow for, say it ever rained, right? You don't want rain going directly into your exhaust. You got some ideas, man, and I love it. Keep shooting them my way, because eventually we're gonna get you some interesting stuff going on. I will say with this truck, painting's not only the only thing we're gonna do. Obviously, we already did wheels and tires on it. You can see the grease on there still. What do you think this truck's missing?
Like tint and wrap.
Tint wrap? What do you think about the mirror caps? Paint them?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. So what we're gonna do, actually, funny enough, this shop isn't only our paint shop. So if you look across this skyline right here, this is our 3M Pro shop, this is our body shop, and then that's our paint shop. And so these three combined make up a lot of the looks of the vehicle. And so we're not only gonna be painting this, we're gonna be putting tint on the side windows, maybe the windshield. And then we're gonna be tinting the marker lights, painting the mirror caps, and getting these door handles and a lot of different aspects of the vehicle to fully match it to itself, to black this entire thing out and murder it out. So I will go ahead and, you know what? Yeah, I'll make this promise. I bet you if you do a good job on this, I got no problem with you wrapping a vehicle. Would you want to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah? Heck yeah, dude. Let's get after it.
Okay, you want to do cow print?
Oh my goodness. Luke.
Hey.
How we doing, man?
Good.
Good to see you, brother. Ethan, this is Luke. He's our master painter.
How you doing,
He
Ethan?
does everything at the shop. So, Luke, we were wondering if today you could take Ethan into the shop. He had phenomenal ideas last video as to what he wanted to do. If you could show him the entire paint process of how you built his old truck and painted his old truck that he customized.
Right.
He wants to learn the entire process of painting. It's really interesting. You want to do it?
Yeah, we can
cool.
do it.
You got a suit that might fit?
Yeah.
You got
we got one.
Let's get him dressed up, man.
Let's go. Just put those over your shoes. Just go right over with everything. Like a jacket.
Look at that, dude.
All right. And snap that around your neck. Just kind of hook it like that. I can retire early now. No one else wants to do this job.
Dude, look at that, Ethan.
There you go. Now
Yeah, tighten it up.
I'm gonna make it a little tight so it's
Good?
Heck yeah.
a little bit halfway down is air only, and then the rest. But normally, like you'll just end up doing this all the way back. It's just gonna make straight base. So that's pretty much it. You just pull the trigger all the way and go crazy. All right, what we do is come over here, start one end, work your way other. All the way down.
It's pretty wild that we actually have Ethan in the paint shop right now painting with our master painter. This is kind of like a dream of his. I know you guys saw that he had some pretty wicked ideas in the last one, like cow print and oranges on the truck. So this is definitely something that is kind of life-changing for Ethan. So I'm very glad that we're able to do this. So they're only going to be in there for a bit. All right, dude, that looks pretty painted. How do we get this? How do we get to it being on the floor? Where did did this have screws in it? All right, well, okay, you guys got it, man. I'm gonna head out because I am not getting yelled at today.
Oh yeah, everything looked good. You did a good job painting, laid out good. We got a couple things to fix, but what we'll do is we'll take care of it. Next week we'll fix all the imperfections, and then we'll get all the parts back together on your truck, and we'll show how it looks. Was it fun? Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think about painting?
Pretty
easy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
just spray it all. And
Spray it all and let it go, right? Yep, that's it. It ain't hard.
Yep. You do cow print paint in oranges?
No, I don't do any of that.
1 week later.
All right, Ethan, you did a phenomenal job. We just got this truck back from Luke at the paint shop, fully built, fully blacked out, just like we wanted it for the future customer that it's about to go to, dude. To be honest, dude, looking at it, I don't see any defects. I don't know if Luke went over this a second time, because I know there was one area where you did kind of drag on a little bit, but it was good, dude. You did a phenomenal job, man. Look at the way this thing turned out. I don't see any defects.
Yeah.
That was great work, man. Well, as you can tell, we blacked out this entire thing. And so, like we said with the grill, that's back in now. You can see it, unfortunately, there's no orange in the radiator.
Grill's not pink.
Grill's not pink, purple,
and
green.
yellow.
There's ideas going around, and I'm not mad at them, dude. I think that you got some stuff working. But we went ahead and blacked this entire thing out, from the valence all the way out to the mirror cap. So if we want to walk around here, we can kind of show the people what they're about to buy. We got a massive American Force 26 by 8.25 wheels, and then you got 37 1350 26 AMP terrain attacks. Remember these guys, the bat wings?
Yeah.
And then you've got powder coated wicked suspension system. This is lifted 4 inches. So you already saw that up there, but this thing's huge. And then we did tint the mirror lights. We painted the mirror backing black. We went ahead and blacked out all the emblems on the side badges. And then we have our black KC logo to blend right in. black 6.7 Power Stroke emblem.
Tinted the windows.
Tinted the windows like you said they needed to be. Good job. We even did the front windshield. We'll go back around. We did the bed side step. We smoked the marker lights. Oh, look, it just came on. And the rear one. We blacked out the entire Super Duty tailgate and paint matched those bed steps. This thing's murdered out, man.
Yeah.
We even tinted that third brake light. This thing's ready to go, dude. I can't tell you how much we're thankful for you coming in here and helping us out, man.
Yeah.
You did a phenomenal job, and I think this is well deserving of you coming back to do some PPF and maybe some wrap work for us. Would you want to do that?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? What ideas do you have?
Maybe like vinyl.
Vinyl?
Yeah.
What color vinyl do you think?
Like maybe like a rose red.
Rose red?
Yeah.
Really? Like that? Or like more bright?
Or like really bright. Like
Really bright?
Yeah.
Heck yeah, dude.
Or maybe like a lime green.
Lime green?
Yeah.
Lime green looks good in some instances, man. We'd have to do suspension like it too, though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. What do you think your favorite part was of the entire process?
Probably accidentally bumping into the bumper and it falling off.
I do remember that. I didn't even see that happen. I was outside with Matt. But how did that happen?
I was painting and I got a little too close and it just bumped off.
Well, you know, these things happen in the paint room. I'm sure Luke has done it a million times.
Yeah.
Out of the many things we do here, whether it's paint, vinyl wrap, mechanic work, body work, which one of those aspects do you think that you would want to do most? Do you think it would be paint? Do you think it would be wrapping?
I think next time I might want to try wrapping.
Wrapping? Okay, let's do it, man. We can't wait to have you back. Thanks, brother. Well, guys, that was Ethan painting an entire customer vehicle that we're gonna sell here. He did a phenomenal job at doing that bumper. Obviously, there were minor hiccups of the bumper almost snapping, apparently, as well as Luke's arm is now black. But other than that, Ethan did a phenomenal job. If you guys want anything like this vehicle or
This truck, go visit craftsmanship.com.
or give us a call at 301-694-4642. We appreciate you guys watching, and we'll
Catch you next time.
subscribe to Krietz Customs to win a free set of wheels and tires. If we hit 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year, we'll be giving away a set just like this, a 35, 12, 50, 22 Fury Country Hunter on a 22x12 fuel wheel. If you want those, go ahead and subscribe to Krietz Customs, and we will see you when we give you those wheels away.